welcome to Black Dog Vintage and Antiques. Today we are back in the temporary studio. We're doing some shifting to make sure that we actually get some really good shots and not just a big blank wall. Nix is roaming around today. We've got some boxes that just came in, and anytime we get boxes, she thinks they're for her. They're not for her, they're from us. The first one we got is from Vintage Bulldogs and Antiques. Let's see. I'm trying to remember what we got from them. Let me do this so I don't drop anything. Oh, so nicely packaged. Oh, this is clever. We might have to think of that. Look at that here. Here it is. I probably should have unwrapped this a little bit first, huh? Oh, here comes Nix. Are you trying to help me? Okay, so what we got from them, thanks Nix, was from Vintage Bulldogs, is this lovely amber Viking compote. It's gonna go nice with the Amber family. Finding a safe place to put it. And what goodies do we have in here? Oh my gosh, I love it. Using Hot Wheels cars from our little kid. That is so cute. So what else did we get? We got one more box from Tacky Is Me, Daniel. I love his channel. I watch every live haul he does now. Hi, Daniel. So let's see what we got from Daniel. I kind of remember what we got from everybody, but it's kind of a surprise to me too. Oh, I forgot. We got two things, I think, from Daniel this day. I don't know how this card there. Some of this it's more for the Amber family. Because nobody wants to watch me unwrapping bubbles. Say hi. Say hi. This is Nix. Say hi. And that loud thumping is her tail. All right. We got another lovely piece of amber for the Amber family. This is gorgeous and so well packaged. I got one more piece from Dan. I'm going to hand it to John behind me. And I love this community so much. I've just started. We were lurking in the background for ages, eons. About a year, right? About a year? Yeah, about a year we were lurking. Not saying anything because, you know, you all remember those chat rooms in the 90s where you tried to get into it and nobody talked to you and you felt like that weird kid who always stood against the back wall at the dance? It's kind of how I felt. But then, I don't know, we slowly started opening up and you guys have embraced us and we thank you for that. So let me try to open this up. Oh, it's one of your swung vases. We've done so much ordering. I really should have opened all the bubble wrap first. Okay. So this is what happens. We do all this ordering and then you forget what you buy from people. So we got this lovely amber swung vase. Really looking forward to putting that in the big window with all the other lovely pieces. Yeah. I just really, again, want to say thank you, Daniel. And thank you, Vintage Bulldog. The show was great. The stuff came and it looks amazing. Look at it, as big as my head. And we're just so excited to go to the next one. And the next